Mary, table 4 has a problem.
What happened?
The customer is asking for pasta à la Maison. It's not on our menu.
Did he show you something? A picture or a card?
Yes, an old business card from this restaurant 10 years ago.
Oh, that dish is from our old menu. Chef Roberto made it.
Can we make it now?
Let me check the kitchen. We have pasta, cream, mushrooms, and fresh herbs.
That sounds right.
I'll talk to the chef. Wait here.
Okay, I'll go back to the table and explain.
Tell him we need 15 minutes and offer him a complimentary drink.
Good idea. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Old customers are special. We take care of them.
The chef says yes. He remembers the recipe.
Perfect. Let's make it happen.